has done a horrific crime. I don't mention the details on the incident. And the presence of Daesh in Afghanistan and the region is also a matter of common concern to Iran and Pakistan. So I would like to know that what the measures of Pakistan's security forces have taken to address this problem of Daesh. And my second question is regarding the issue of three remaining Iranian abducted border guards. Iran recently seeking the help of FCF Pakistan Army to help to recovery of the abducted three Iranian border guards in the region. So I would like to have your comments. Three Iranian border guards which abducted by terrorist group in the joint Iran and Pakistan border.
You see, as far as Pakistan-Iran cooperation is concerned in the military domain and the security domain, it's always been there, and we always have contact established, and it's a mutual thing. So there is no problem as far as Pakistan and Iran's security contacts are concerned. We're absolutely on board, and we have very good relations with Iran. As far as presence of Daesh is concerned, well, yes, I think even when we presented the dossier, we did give some details that there is an external support to present a Daesh-Pakistan wing in Pakistan, to make such a wing and make it, do different activities. But let me assure you that this presence is not much. It's there. They are trying. There are splinter groups of different organizations which keep taking that name just to gather some mass, just to gather some credibility. But alhamdulillah, we are taking care of that, and they'll not be able to establish any kind of permanent footprint over here with the way our operations are going. So it's not a big issue.
Ms. Sumaira Khan.
Sir, my question is regarding this Daesh footprints. You mentioned in the dossier when you were addressing the media at Foreign Office, and you said that 35 trained Daesh personnel, they were deployed alongside Pakistan and Afghanistan border, and they were being supported by RAW, and they were given 700 militia just to target, in particular, CPEC and the sensitive Pakistani installations in Pakistan. So what exactly is that Pakistan's military quarters are taking up with Afghanistan regarding that? Because after that, we heard an audio clip of Amrullah Saleh, the first vice president of Afghanistan as well, and he did not refute that audio clip. And it was being circulated in social media. It was forensically checked as well. But the matter of concern is he did not come up and refute that audio clip in which he was like discussing some serious bloodshed inside Pakistan. And after that, we see that much incident. So my question would be particularly for Iran and Afghanistan, that Pakistan is trying to take control. Pakistan is trying to take care of everything that concerns with border, just to keep cordial relation with both the brotherly Islamic countries. But are we being is this the effort is being reciprocated from these two countries, or we are going to be officially taking up this serious matter with these two particular countries?
Yes.
And sir, PTM was also highlighted in the EU Disinfo Lab, Pashtun Tahaffuz movement, alongside other fakely accredited NGOs in Pakistan that are working. PTM was also there. So are we conducting any investigation on that as well?
Yes, we're investigating every facet of EU Disinformation Lab report, and wherever we'll come up with more evidence, with more stuff, we're going to share it with the media. As far as your question is again about Daesh and how the government-to-government contact is between Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Pakistan, Iran. As I already said, that we are in continuous contact with at the government level, at the military-to-military level. Iran, I've already explained. As far as Afghanistan is concerned, yes, there is Daesh footprint over there, and it is being supported by RAW. There is a lot of evidence available on that account, but we are in contact with the Afghan government. We keep conveying our issues to them, our concerns. We continuously keep engaging with them, and and there's a very positive level of acceptability on both sides of what's happening. But we also understand that there are some capacity issues on the Afghan side. So whenever Afghan soil is used against Pakistan, we don't always blame the Afghan government for that, because there are capacity issues. And as I said, because of this fencing, alhamdulillah, these incidents have come down dramatically. The capacity has been diminished to quite an extent. So on our own, we are absolutely aware of what the capability of this organization is and what they can do and who is supporting them and where the money is coming from, and we're going after them. As I said, they do have a footprint here, but there is no organized infrastructure over here. So that's somewhere else. And to take that infrastructure on, the government-to-government contact, the military-to-military contact is absolutely there, and we will keep pursuing that at that level as well. Thank you.
जनरल साहब, मुमताज़ भट्टी दिन टीवी से। जनरल साहब, ये लास्ट जो कोर कमांडर कॉन्फ्रेंस थी, उसका हमने ऑफिशियल जो स्टेटमेंट है वो पढ़ा, उसमें कौमी हमआहंगी की बात की गई, और आज आपने भी बड़े जो है वो एक अच्छी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की और काफ़ी प्रोवोकिंग क्वेश्चंस को बड़ा हैंडल किया। ये बताइएगा कि इस कौम ने और इसकी फ़ौज ने और पुलिस ने 17 साल तक कुर्बानियाँ दी, एक जंग लड़ी, और अब भी तकरीबन उसमें से गुज़र रहे हैं, और उसमें एक कामयाबी हासिल की जो कि एक दरख्शां मिसाल की तरह है, पूरी दुनिया में शायद निसाबों में पढ़ाए जाने के काबिल है। तो जब ये बात की जाती है कि यहाँ पे कोई खूनी इनकलाब आना चाहिए या खूनी इनकलाब की बात की जा रही है या इंतशार की बात की जाती है, तो बीइंग अ कस्टोडियन ऑफ द सिक्योरिटी, आप बतौर तर्जमान पाक फ़ौज इस पे क्या कहते हैं?
देखिए, ये कोशिशें कोई नई नहीं हैं। ये कोशिशें पाकिस्तान के अंदर पाकिस्तान के दुश्मन हमेशा से करते रहे हैं, और पिछली 2 दहाइयों में इन कोशिशों में इजाफा किया गया, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान इज़ अ कंट्री ऑफ कॉन्सिक्वेंस एंड द होल वर्ल्ड एडमिट्स दैट, एंड टू बी अ कंट्री ऑफ कॉन्सिक्वेंस देयर इज़ अ प्राइस टू पे. So because of our population, because of our geography, because of our military capability, because of our place in the Islamic world, I mean, Pakistan is a very important country, alhamdulillah. So जो vested interests जब भी यहाँ पे क्रिस क्रॉस होते हैं आके, तो उसकी repercussions हैं, उसके impressions हैं, उसके नताइज हैं. लेकिन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह पाकिस्तानी कौम, पाकिस्तानी अवाम ने कभी भी इस इंतशार की जो कोशिशें हैं उनको एक लेवल से आगे नहीं जाने दिया. और एज आई सेड, वी हैव बीन थ्रू अ लॉट इन द लास्ट 2 decades. We have come a long way as a nation, as a society, and as a military. And our trajectory, alhamdulillah, is very positive now. And inshallah, we'll get even better from here. What we have been through, the crucible that we've survived, inshallah, there is no looking back from here. So ये तमाम कोशिशें, ये तमाम काविशें जिस भी तरफ से हो रही हैं, जहाँ से भी हो रही हैं, इंशाल्लाह ये किसी मकाम पे नहीं पहुँच सकेंगी. And Pakistan will survive, इंशाल्लाह.
खालिद महमूद साहब. सर, खालिद महमूद, एक्सप्रेस टीवी से. जनरल साहब, आज से कुछ दिन बाद जो है यूएस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन चेंज हो रही है, और उसकी जो पॉलिसीज़ हैं वो रीजन पे बड़ी असरअंदाज होती हैं. जैसे ही कोई नया सदर आता है तो उसकी मिलिट्री पॉलिसी जो है वो बड़ा मैटर करती हैं. आप कैसे देखते हैं कि अमेरिका के साथ पाकिस्तान का दिफाई कोऑपरेशन कैसा रहेगा, खुसूसन अफगानिस्तान, ईरान और इंडिया के हवाले से? दूसरा, गुज़श्ता 2 साल से जो भारत की जानिब से मुसलसल धमकियां और सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक के दावे किए जाते रहे। आज हमारी 2021 में क्या पोजीशन है, हमारी क्या तैयारियां हैं, और 2021 में आप कश्मीर को कैसा देख रहे हैं? क्या वहाँ के हालात जो है बेहतरी की तरफ जाएंगे?
देखिए, एज़ फार एज़ अमेरिका के साथ ताल्लुकात, मैं उस पर ज़्यादा कमेंट नहीं करूँगा बिकॉज वो फॉरेन ऑफिस की डोमेन में आती है बात। बट एज़ फार एज़ मिलिट्री टू मिलिट्री कॉन्टैक्ट इज़ कंसर्न, मैंने पहले भी बताया कि इट्स स्टिल ऑन, इट्स देयर एंड इट्स वेरी पॉजिटिव। सो इंशाल्लाह things are looking up, and we're quite optimistic about how things will be.